When your car turns off when stopped, it's more than just an inconvenience. It's a sign that something could be wrong under the hood, from dirty fuel injectors to issues with advanced start-stop technology. Understanding the reasons behind this problem can save you time, money, and stress. Watch on to explore the common culprits behind engine stalling, from critical component failures to intentional vehicle features and how to address them. If you own a new vehicle that shuts off when stopped but restarts seamlessly when you're ready to drive, there's likely no need for concern. Modern vehicles often come equipped with start-stop systems designed to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Here's how it works. Automatic shutdown. When you press the brake and come to a complete stop, the engine automatically shuts off to conserve fuel. Meanwhile, accessories like the radio and headlights stay on. Restart mechanism. Once you release the brake or press the gas pedal, the starter motor re-engages and the engine restarts smoothly. If your vehicle doesn't have start-stop technology but the engine shuts off when stopped, it's often a sign of an underlying issue. Here are some common reasons. Idle air control valve, IAC. This valve regulates airflow to maintain proper idling. A malfunctioning or clogged IAC can restrict airflow, leading to stalling. Symptoms include rough idling, inconsistent engine speed, or starting difficulties. Dirty fuel injectors, fuel system issues. Fuel injectors deliver precise fuel amounts to the engine. Clogs can disrupt this balance, causing stalls during idling or acceleration. Malfunctioning alternator. The alternator powers your vehicle's electrical systems and charges the battery. If it fails, it may not produce enough power at low speeds, resulting in stalling. Additional signs include dim headlights or a dead battery. Stalling during deceleration could be due to the next issues or the following culprits. Clogged EGR valve. The exhaust gas recirculation EGR valve helps reduce emissions by recycling exhaust gases. If stuck open, it can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, especially when decelerating, causing the engine to stall. Bad torque converter. In automatic transmissions, the torque converter transfers engine power. If it fails to disengage properly, the engine may stall during low-speed conditions. Faulty sensors, essential sensors like the crankshaft position sensor or mass airflow sensor, regulate engine performance. Malfunctions can cause incorrect data input to the ECU, leading to stalling. Electrical issues. From bad spark plugs to faulty wiring or ECUs, electrical problems can trigger stalling. Symptoms vary but may include backfiring, knocking, and poor engine performance. While professional diagnosis and repair are crucial for stalling issues, proactive maintenance can prevent them from occurring in the first place. Follow your maintenance schedule, adhere to your manufacturer's recommended service intervals. Regular fluid changes, keep engine oil, coolant and transmission fluid fresh to ensure optimal performance. Replace spark plugs. Typically spark plugs last around 80,000 miles. Replace them as necessary. Inspect fuel and air systems. Regularly check for clogs or buildup that could affect performance. Schedule routine inspections. Professional inspections can catch early signs of sensor or valve issues before they escalate. A car that stalls or shuts off when stopped can be frustrating and dangerous. While modern start-stop technology is generally harmless, unexpected stalling often points to mechanical or electrical issues that require immediate attention. By understanding common causes and adhering to regular maintenance, you can minimize the risk of stalling and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Don't wait for minor issues to escalate. Take action and consult a professional mechanic to ensure your vehicle's reliability and safety.